Hey guys, this is Priyanka Manikandan and welcome back to my channel. Today let's see why Puratasi month is observed with a vegetarian fast. Let's get started. Puratasi, the sixth month of Tamil calendar, holds significant cultural, religious and spiritual importance, particularly among Tamil Hindus. Observed during the months of September and October, this period is marked by prayers, rituals and fasts, most notably a widespread abstention from non-vegetarian food. The rationale behind these practices is rooted in spiritual, astrological, and health related benefits. Let's see the reasons and the scientific reason behind observing a vegetarian fast during Puratasi. One of the most prominent reasons behind Puratasi vegetarian fast is the deep connection to Lord Vishnu. This month is dedicated to honoring Lord Vishnu, particularly as the protector of the universe. Many devotees believe that abstaining from meat and following a simple sattvic diet brings them closer to Vishnu, allowing them to focus on their spiritual journey. The sattvic diet, comprising fruits, vegetables, and grains, has long been associated with spiritual purity, fostering clarity of mind and enhancing meditation and prayer. This approach aligns with ancient Vedic traditions where food is considered an essential aspect of one's spiritual state. The Bhagavad Gita, for instance, emphasizes that sattvic foods promote longevity, strength, and mental health. Non vegetarian food, on the other hand, is thought to invoke tamasic and rajasic, that is, aggressive and lethargic qualities, which can cloud the mind and hinder spiritual practices. By abstaining from meat during Puritasi, devotees aim to keep their minds pure and focused on spiritual growth. There's also connection to Sunny, Parvani and Saturn's influence. Let's see that as well. According to Hindu belief, Lord Shani, that is Saturn, the planet of discipline, justice and karma, plays a crucial role during Puratasi. Many Tamil Hindus believe that during this month, the position of Saturn exerts a powerful influence on the world. It is said that fasting, prayer, and abstinence from non vegetarian food help mitigate the malefic effects of Saturn's transit. Saturn is known for delivering challenges and hardships in life, and devotion through fasting is considered a way to gain protection and appease Saturn's effect. This practice may also have roots in ritual purification, which is seen in many cultures. The act of fasting is believed to purify both the body and the mind, making devotees more receptive to divine blessings and guidance. A vegetarian diet, considered less taxing on digestion and less stimulating to the mind, may enhance this purification process, helping people cope with the potentially challenging astrological influences of the month. There is a scientific perspective as well. Let's see that as well. From a modern medical perspective, there is growing evidence that a plant-based diet can significantly benefit overall health. The vegetarian diet during Puratasi align well with recommendations from scientific literature that link plant-based eating to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. One of the significant benefits of vegetarian diet is its high content of dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. During Puratasi, devotees typically consume more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, which are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system and promote the body's natural detoxification process, which are particularly useful during the seasonal changes that occur around Puratasi. So, this was the reason why we generally eat vegetarian food during the month of Puratasi. There's also a seasonal transition that happens, and it's important for us to cope up with this seasonal change, and our body is more active when we are in sattvic diet. I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit a like button and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day, guys.